Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and getting low-level access. First, back up everything. You will wipe the device. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging, then unlock the bootloader using fastboot with the OEM unlock command. Make sure to download a Windows ARM ISO, a compatible UEFI payload, and tools like Rufus or Etcher on your PC. Connect the device to your computer. Confirm fastboot sees it so you can move to flashing immediately. Next, you flash a UEFI bootloader and prepare storage. Use fastboot to write the UEFI image to the appropriate partition. This gives Windows a firmware interface to boot. Then, using a partition tool in fastboot or a live Linux environment, create GPT partitions for EFI, MSR, and NTFS Windows install volume. Allocate space thoughtfully so you have room for system and files. Once partitions are ready, copy the Windows ARM installer ISO to a USB drive, or image it to the device storage and verify checksums so the installer won't fail. Finally, boot into the newly installed UEFI environment and launch the Windows installer. Select the prepared NTFS partition and let setup run. After the first boot, install device-specific drivers for touch, Wi-Fi, and GPU so hardware functions correctly. You may need signed or custom driver packages. Make sure to enable Secure Boot only if supported. If you hit a failure, reflash the UEFI or restore the stock firmware. Check serial logs for errors and retry with an alternate image. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.